Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 8th November. Let's start. In the year of 1895, on this day, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered X-rays. It is considered the greatest discovery ever made in medical history. In the year of 1917, on this day, Vladimir Lenin, Leon Trotsky, and Joseph Stalin were appointed People's Commissars after the October Revolution. In the year of 1920, on this day, Sitara Devi, India's famous Kathak dancer, was born. In the year of 1929, on this day, senior BJP leader and former Deputy Prime Minister Lal Krishna Advani was born. In the year of 1933, on this day after the recession, US President Franklin Roosevelt created the Civil Works Administration to employ 4 million people. In the year of 1938, on this day, Arvind Trivedi, a famous small screen artist in Indian cinema, was born. He played the role of Ravan in Ramanand Sagar's 1987 iconic TV series Ramayan. In the year of 1947, on this day, Bradman scored his 99th first-class cricket century in the South Australia vs Victoria match. In the year of 1959, on this day, famous literary Lochan Prasad Pandey, who also wrote poetry in both Hindi and Odia languages, was born. In the year of 1960, on this day, John F. Kennedy became the 35th President of the United States, defeating Richard Nixon by a narrow margin in a contested contest. In the year of 1990, on this day, Mary Robinson became the first female President of Ireland. In the year of 1998, on this day, 15 people were executed in Bangladesh for the assassination of the country's first Prime Minister, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In the year of 1999, on this day, Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar set a world record by sharing 331 runs in a one-day cricket match. This is the biggest partnership ever for India. In the year of 2001, on this day, Avni Lekra, a parachuter from India, was born. She has won a gold medal in the 10-meter air rifle standings and a bronze medal in the 50-meter rifle three position at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics. Lekra is currently ranked world number 2 in the SH1 women's 10-meter air rifle. In the year of 2002, on this day, UN resolution for disarmament in Iraq was paused. In the year of 2003, on this day, in the war with Iraq, more than 10,000 American soldiers laid siege to the Iraqi city of Fallujah. In the year of 2005, on this day, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf was elected President of Liberia, the first woman to lead an African country. In the year of 2008, on this day, India's first unmanned space mission Chandrayaan-1 reached the Moon's orbit. In the year of 2014, on this day, Mikhail Gorbachev warns that tensions between the US and Russia over Ukraine put the world on the brink of a new Cold War. In the year of 2014, on this day, US President Obama authorized the deployment of 1,500 additional troops to train and advise Iraqi and Kurdish forces fighting Islamic State militants. In the year of 2016, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced demonetization in which Rs 500 and 1000 rupees notes were declared illegal. In the year of 2016, on this day, Republican candidate Donald Trump won the election for President of the United States by defeating Democrat Hillary Clinton, receiving over 2.9 million votes. In the year of 2020, on this day, the central government renamed the Ministry of Shipping as the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated International Radiology Day. It is observed globally on 8 November every year. This day is observed for the awareness of the important role of radiologists and radiographers in safe patient care, healthcare continuity. In the year of 2021, today is also celebrated World Urbanizing Day, also known as World Town Planning Day, is observed globally on 8 November to recognize and promote the role of planning in creating livable communities. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.